course, I'm my OD at the AUD, the sniper trader, back on your screen. So I just came to sit out, to reflect, and to calm my head. I just signed out from the university, and pretty much just want to just reflect on my life, reflect on growth, and also prepare for next year, right? Simply because there's a lot of plans for next year. I just really need to set proper structure on how I carry my channel and on how I really go about my trading as well, sharing signals to my trading community, mentorship, and all those things, right? Because whenever I come on your screen, I'm always giving you guys value, right? I always give you guys value. So it's just me coming out here to just refresh my mind, see the new possibilities that I think looking out for, and also meet some couple friends to discuss business, right? And sign new deals, new trading deals, right? Because it's time to scale really big in the financial market. So follow me on my journey, because I'll be sharing educational trading content, and also my channel is to document my trading journey as well. And if you're getting started in trading, you can go on my playlist where I have broken down the beginners, intermediate, and advanced trading knowledge in order to get started in forex trading, right? And also in the description box below, you will see the link to join my Telegram channel, where I share trading signal and also information that can help you and building a community for like-minded traders to interact with themselves, right? So just stay here, reflect for a while, meet some couple friends, and plan properly for the year ahead. And also stay close to my channel, subscribe, like, hit the post notification bell to get notified whenever I drop trading related content like this, right? And also in the description box, you'll see the recommended broker I am trading with, and I also recommend it for my community, right? Building a community for traders to relate with, right? That is the goal in terms of value, in terms of my journey, and in terms of how I relate with you all through my content, right? And yeah, let's see how it goes.